Well, hi, everyone. I'm Sharon Leite, the CEO of The Vitamin Shoppe, and I'm excited to welcome you to the premiere episode of our Founder Spotlight video series. And in these interviews, I'll be talking to the founders of some of our most innovative brand partners. So I am thrilled, literally thrilled, to kick off our series with Katy Hearn and Haydn Schneider, the founders of Alani Nu supplements, which launched at The Vitamin Shoppe in November, and also our super supplement stores as well. And it already is a customer favorite. I know it's one of my favorites. And hi, Katy and Haydn. Thanks so much for joining me today. So delighted to spotlight you two and your story. But Haydn, I have to start with you first because I know that you have a story connecting you to the Vitamin Shoppe, and I know our viewers would love to hear all about it.
Yes, I was actually looking for photos of me working there, and I couldn't find them, but I went through my email and I found my old work schedule from 2009. 4449 in Lexington, Kentucky. So that was cool to go through and see all, my old coworkers that I worked with that were on the schedule, and it just brought back a lot of memories. Yeah, I learned a ton. I've always had a passion for working out and fitness, and to be able to get a job in the field that I love was really cool for me. I learned a ton working there.
Our customers already are just eating up, literally, the products that we've started to sell at the Vitamin Shoppe. Love to kind of hear a little story about how did Alani Nu come to fruition? How did it come to be?
Sure. So my kind of, jump into fitness started when I was 21. I was just unhappy with the way I looked and the way I felt. So I was entirely self-taught. I was like, I'm just going to figure this out. So I just researched different exercises and worked on my diet. That started my fitness journey. I started my Instagram way back then, 2013? 2012?
2012, yeah.
Yeah, 2012. Working out for women just wasn't cool then. It was like, what are you doing? Guys work out. Guys go to the gym.
Social media at the time.
Yeah, and no one was really posting their workouts on social media. It was just very new still, which I think worked out in my favor because I got into it so early. But anyway, just over the years, I got to learn through coaching women. I got to learn kind of what women were looking for, just what everyone in our demographic was looking for out of a product, even myself.
How did you come up with the name Alani Nu?
So we were sitting in the kitchen at our previous house. I remember I was sitting on the countertop. We were on thesaurus. Yeah. And we were kind of playing with different words and the way words sounded and what I wanted the brand to sound like and feel like. So many supplement brands are just like super harsh colors and in-your-face names, and that just wasn't what I wanted. That wasn't what I was drawn to. So yeah, I don't really know. Lots of wordplay, lots of I don't know, do you like the way this sounds? This is nice. And then we stumbled upon the word Alani, and we just loved it. We thought it was perfect. And then we added the Nu on the end, short for nutrition. And
okay.
Yeah. The colors were the blue and orange. Those were our original colors.
Which you can see kind of how soft they are in the background. And I do think, when you speak to kind of the target customer being female, your products look very different on shelf than when you look at it amongst the other supplement brands on shelf, and kind of connecting to the female consumer, because I do think, especially on the sports nutrition side, that is a gap in the industry, and it's wonderful how you guys have filled it. What challenges have you guys faced as you've kind of built this business?
With us being so forward in the brand and so open, and we talk to our customers and followers about the brand when something goes wrong, or when something doesn't launch, or when something is back ordered and people aren't getting what they subscribe to, or it just all comes to us directly.
Yeah, a lot of these are like huge supplement brands. Most people probably don't know who own them, who manufactures them, but they can come straight to us, and
they do.
And that's fine. We can handle it. You can come straight to us. Our DMs are always.
Because on the flip side, we do get all the positive too. We get all the praise. We get tagged in people in Vitamin Shoppe posting their new products. And so that's amazing. But yeah, we get it all.
Yeah, but don't you think authenticity is a big part of a successful brand, especially in this industry?
Yep.
Yeah,
I think a big part of building our base. people have learned to trust us over the years. And when we launch any product, they know that we put the time and effort into it. So yeah, just building the customer trust over the years has been huge for us.
That's great. So Katy, I'd love to have, we have lots of, you're the leading a female brand and you're a female entrepreneur. I'm just kind of curious, has there ever been a time that you felt like, you weren't taken seriously as you kind of tried to build this business?
Part of me, I truly feel like I can do anything that I set my mind to. I truly believe that I felt Alani would be very successful because I was very dedicated to every aspect of it. But I will say, yes, there have been times where I'll just see a post or a comment and they just kind of phrase it like fitness influencer. It just, sometimes it feels like it's made smaller than what I think it is. It's not often, but I definitely have experienced it.
Yeah. As long as I've known you, which maybe give credit to your dad, I feel like you have felt like there's no ceiling. She can do whatever she wants. So I don't think you've ever felt like anything was holding you back.
No,
So.
My dad, my whole life growing up, he raised me to not be afraid, to just try. So
that's great. That's great that you had such a supportive dad and certainly a very supportive husband too. I mean, I know that makes a big difference. I would love to get your perspectives on any wellness tips you have for our viewers out there.
So my two biggest things would be consistency trumps everything. Be consistent. That way you can easily adjust and make changes if you feel like you're not progressing, because everything is maintained the same. So you can say, okay, I'll change this just a little and maybe get the ball rolling more. And then my second one would be even the smallest, like start small. Even the smallest little changes can make such a big difference. Like just increase water by 1 glass each day or each week. Little changes add up and result in big change.
Anything else you'd like to share with our viewers that we didn't have a chance to talk about in terms of Alani Nu or business?
Excited. We've got a lot of new products coming. I don't know if I guess I could show them to you.
Yeah, you can, totally.
I'm sure
Yeah, I can't wait to try it. That looks great.
I've been drinking 2 a day. She's a big fan of the vanilla.
Yeah,
I like the chocolate.
I like them all, but vanilla is my favorite. But yeah, we have lots of new products coming, new flavors coming, lots of big, good things. We are very, very happy and honored to be in Vitamin Shop. So
yes, like I made on my post, I used to stock the shelves, and now we literally stock the shelves with our yeah, it's amazing.
Well, we're delighted to have you as part of what we consider the Vitamin Shop family of brands, and really are just very grateful and look forward to a long and enduring partnership. So thank you so much for all the great information and the insight into the Alani Nu brand, and certainly sharing also your personal and professional journeys with us. This was absolutely an inspiring conversation, and look forward to continuing to learn more about each of you and the Alani Nu brand. And to all of our viewers, thank you for watching our very first episode of our Founder Spotlight, and we'll see you again next time. Take care.
Thank you so much. Bye.